morning everyone. In this class we'll discuss about physical quantity and its type, and we'll list out the physical quantity, and we'll discuss about derived physical quantity and with the examples, and we'll see the characteristic of physical quantity. Then we'll see the measurement, the types of measurement and standards, and finally we'll bind with different numerical examples. So basically the physical quantity could define as the quantity that are measured by an instrument, and by means we can describe the laws of physics are called physical quantity. Once again I'll explain, read out the definitions. The quantity that are measured by an instrument, any instrument you can use, okay, to define, okay, and by means we can describe the laws of physics are called as physical quantity. There are two types of physical quantity. There are two types of physical quantity. One is fundamental physical quantity, and second one is derived physical quantity. So fundamental physical quantities, we have 7 fundamental physical quantity. First one is mass, second one is length, third one is time, fourth one is temperature, fifth one is luminous intensity, sixth one is current, seventh one is amount of substance. Again I list out mass, length, time, temperature, luminous intensity, current, and amount of substance. So how we can define this? So these are the standard physical quantity, okay, and they are independent to each other. These are standard physical quantity and independent to each other. Independent to each other. And all other physical quantity, derived from fundamental physical quantity. So these 7 physical quantities are very fundamentals, and they are independent to each other. It is not depends on any other particular quantity, physical quantity, and rest of all the physical quantity can derive from by using these 7 fundamental physical quantity known as derived physical quantity. We will see this with different example in the coming classes, okay. Timing, just try to remember these 7 physical quantity. Once again I list out mass, length, time, mass, length, time, very much important and you're supposed to remember. Then luminous intensity, temperature, 5, current, and last one is amount of substance. So these 7 are known as fundamental physical quantity. So for example, speed, distance by time. So distance is known as length, time is known as second. So we can derive by using length and time. Okay, this kind of physical quantities are known as derived physical quantity. Hope you understand. So our velocity, one more example. Velocity, how do you define? Displacement by time. Displacement we can find out by using length. Am I right? Similarly, time by second. So length also there in fundamental quantity and time also there in fundamental quantity. So using these we derived velocity. Okay, so this physical quantity is known as derived physical quantity. So hope everyone understood what exactly mean by fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity. So there should not be confusions. So please remember and try to note in your book. Ensure that whatever you studied in each class, it should be remember when you go into the next consequent classes. Otherwise you feel very uncomfortable and you will feel okay, physics is going to be difficult. So my sincere request is every time whatever we teach in the class, please keep a separate notes and keep on note down and try to recall every time before the class. So this kind of organized study will lead you to understand the concept very easily and you will be comfort with that particular subject. So and you feel very comfortable when you answer the competitive exams like CET and board as well as JEE Mains and JEE Advanced or NEET exams. Okay, so further we'll move. Let's discuss about the next topic, that is measurement. How do you measure anything? So idea of measurement is started with the concept of counting. So like counting. So example, there will be a standard well-defined standard system, that is if this distance is known as 1 meter. Okay, so idea of unit, okay, developed with counting. Okay, counting will started with the idea of measurement. Okay, these are all one-to-one relative. Okay, so what do you mean by unit? Okay, it is an arbitrary chosen standard by comparing we can measure any physical quantity. So it is a arbitrary chosen standard. For example, this length is we consider as a mass, or this much unit consider as 1 kg. So it is an arbitrary standard. Particular distance or particular mass or weight of any substance consider as a standard. This is 1 kg, this is 1 meter. Now if you want to compare this big length, compare with this, so it will be 1 meter and 1 meter, there will be 2 meter. Now out of there are 2 objects we wrote, one is 2, number 2 and meter. So this is known as unit, and this is known as physical quantity. Physical quantity. So similarly, if you compare with bigger one, so then it is, this is 1 unit, so 1 kg. So together it is a 3 kg. So comparing with this 1 kg, this big looks like a, and is measured like a 3 kg. So this is a numerical unit, numerical quantity, and this is your unit. Okay, so unit contains a numerical quantity and unit. Is it clear? So please note this definition of unit. Okay, so we'll discuss more and more in the consequent classes, and we'll derive units for many physical quantities. Characteristics we could list like, so it is well defined, accessible, invariability, invariable means it is very familiar, okay, and convincing. Convenient. Okay, so well defined, it should be well defined, unit should be well defined, and accessible, it is easily available, and invariability, it is very, should be familiar, and it is very convenient to use. So these are the main basic characteristics of units. Please note down. Okay, and we'll discuss a different system of measurements. So measurement includes different methods. First one is FPS system. FPS system. So here FPS means to say feet, pound, and this is second. Okay, so feet is length, pound is known as mass, and this is time. So similarly, second one is CGS system. CGS, centimeter, okay, gram, second. So again, this is length, centimeter in length, and mass, and this is time. So three physical quantity usually, length, mass, and time. So third one is MKS unit, KS, meter, kg, kilogram, and second. Again, length, and this is mass, and this is time. So and last, present now we are using SI unit or standard. SI means system of international or international system of unit. International unit. So these are the 5 systems. As the days goes, it is evolved in this way. Present we are using standard ISI system, international standard unit. And there are 2 more things you supposed to remember, that is supplementary systems. two supplementary quantities. Quantity. So first one is plane angle and second one is solid angle. So plane angle is always contains two plane. Okay, so this is radius. Okay, this is arc. So angle, plane angle theta is measured as arc by radius. Am I right? So solid angle is given in such a way that any solid, for example, if you consider a cone, if you cut a cone, then you will get a solid angle. So if a cone will be like this in 3 dimension, the angle between this surface, one side, third z direction, that is known as solid angle. So defined as steradian, and it is defined as dA by r square. dA is surface value. This is dA, surface area of the particular angle in the z direction, divided by radius or r square is known as steradian. So these are the two supplementary quantities and it is dimensionless. Okay, make sure that this point you should remember before getting to the next class. So be familiar with types of fundamental quantities and its characteristics and two supplementary quantities. Further, we'll discuss about how to derive the particular dimension for this physical quantities, and by using those dimension, how we can derive the rest of the derived quantity, dimension for derived quantities. Okay, so these two things we'll discuss in the further classes, and few more numericals we'll discuss, so that will give a correct picture on units and dimensions. Thank you very much.